Hi, my name is Robert Marchel. I'm a consultant. My full-time job is to help people repair their relationship and get back their ex-partners. And today I will answer one very frequent question. Is it helpful to mention during the conversation with your ex all the good moments you had, or not really? If you care a lot about recovering your ex-partner after parting, you probably quite often think about the best moments you have spent together. You may also have the impression that bringing them up in a conversation will awaken the same emotions that you experience in the other person. Is this really the case? Actually, yes, but unfortunately mentioning good moments has also a very dark side. On the one hand, recalling old images from the time when it was best between you can be a very strong emotional impulse, which can give you one more chance or at least make the other person think about you more. On the other hand, however, by mentioning the best moments, you show that you are often thinking about your ex, and if you have those moments in your head, you probably still feel something and want to reunite. So you are not a challenge. Perhaps the connotation between mentioning the good old times and showing interest is not so obvious at first glance, but the subconscious of the other person is vigilant, and this fact will probably not be unnoticed. If so, can you ever mention the good moments in the conversation with your ex? Yes, you can. You can easily allow yourself to do so and infect the other person with these images, but only if you already see a lot of interest from the other person. If, despite the break, you are again very close and your contact has improved very much, such topics will work very well in this case. This is also a great way to strengthen a relationship that has not yet disintegrated, but is experiencing a crisis. However, you should definitely not bring up those good moments during a conversation when the other person is still quite distant, or even when you don't yet know what kind of attitude they have towards you. For example, this is your first meeting after departing. By recalling good moments, unfortunately, you can reveal your intentions very quickly and show too much interest too early. And instead of influencing your ex's emotions as you wanted, you can trigger your ex to think, "Oh, you still think about those times, you still must have feelings for me." And this can be a big step backwards in your relationship. If you'd like to find out how to get back your ex, you must see my online training at x.robertmarchel.com. You'll find much more details there and the next available date. So hope to see you soon. Robert Marchel.